Hello everyone. Welcome you all to this text mining class. Now the purpose of this class is to make you familiar with the text mining, different applications of text mining process and the need for the text mining. So following are the topics which we will cover in this class. We will start with a case study of a book review. Then we will discuss different needs for the text mining process and different applications of text mining. So let's start with a case study of a book review. Now say you want recommendations on which book to read, like which are the good books in the market to read. So what you will do? First thing that any reasonable guy would be thinking of searching on Google in this technology era and would be thinking of finding reviews on Google and finding out which are the good books in the market to read. But do you think it's an ideal approach? Now let's have a look at an example where we want to find whether the book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is a good book to read or not. So you will read the reviews from different websites like Amazon, Goodreads and other popular websites. And you will have a look at the number of the likes and dislikes from various sites. Maybe you will even have a look at what words actually help us to identify whether it is a good book or a bad book. And then you will decide whether you want to read this book or not. But this is more of a search mechanism. It is also quite a tedious process to go through. Now here, what was our goal? It was to find out the best book to read. And the data or the source which we used was Google for searching different websites, reviews, etc. Now here comes the need for the text mining. But before that, we will discuss the drawbacks of our search technique. One of the major drawbacks of this technique is it doesn't help you to discover things you are unaware of. As here you need to know what to search for. And this mechanism helps you to find out documents but not knowledge. So what is the alternative solution we have for our goal? Text mining is the alternative solution. Now before going further, you need to be aware of this important statistics. That is 90% of the world's data is in unstructured format. Now what is unstructured format? Unstructured data is nothing but a text data which is not arranged in proper rows and columns format. They are not in proper structure, hence they are difficult to search and analyze. Now, some of the common unstructured data examples are data from Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, blogs, whatever videos you watch on YouTube are also the part of unstructured data. And other unstructured data examples are customer feedbacks and all. Now next we will have a look at text mining process. Now text mining is the process of converting unstructured data into meaningful indices. Now by meaningful indices we mean numeric data which can further be used in predictive modeling. Now here is the difference between searching for information on the web and discovering trends in your data. As far as structured data is concerned, that is data in the form of columns and tables, search means data retrieval, whereas discover means mining the data and finding the trends and patterns in the data. Similarly, you can see for unstructured data, that is text data, when you do a Google search, all you get is information, but you need to do a proper text mining on your unstructured data to find out trends and patterns in your text data. Now let's look at the different applications of text mining. Now, text mining can be used for CRM, that is customer relationship management, fraud detection, spam filtering, and one of the popular applications of text mining is natural language processing. Now let's see how text mining is utilized in CRM. In CRM domain, the most widespread applications are related to management of the content of the client's messages. It is regarding the increased attentions that the end consumers of products and services is receiving. Now customers interacting with contact centers typically fills out their feedback surveys, which are direct indicative of their satisfaction or dissatisfactions with the products and services. Now if only manual analysis is done on this customer's feedback, say on a sample, that is small sample of available data, then it may not be sufficient to understand the sentiment of the customers. That is why we have text mining in picture. Now with the help of customers complaint, we can find out what are the customers' typical complaints. what is the trend in the number of satisfied customers in a particular city. Therefore, text mining is helpful in automating it and helps in making it consistent and exhaustive. Now, next applications of text mining is detecting frauds through claims investigations. Now, text analytics is a tremendously effective technology in any domain where the majority of the information is collected as text. Say, for example, insurance companies are taking advantage of text mining technologies by combining the results of text analysis with the structured data to prevent frauds and swiftly processing the claims. So, it's of great use to insurance companies for preventing frauds. Another important applications of text mining is spam filtering. Now, email is an effective, fast, and reasonably cheap way to communicate, but it comes with a dark side, that is spam. Today, spam is a major issue for internet service providers. It increases their cost for service management. Spam is an entry point for viruses and impact the productivity. Here, text mining techniques can be implemented to improve the effectiveness of statistically based filtering methods. So, text mining can be of utmost importance here for spam filtering. Next applications of text mining is NLP, that is natural language processing. It is one of the popular applications of text mining. Now, NLP is a field of computer science, artificial intelligence, and linguistic consent with the interactions between computer and human natural languages. It deals with analyzing, understanding, and generating the languages that humans naturally use in order to interact with the computers. Now, one of the uses of NLP is through our mobile phones. Whenever we dictate something into our iPhones or Android devices on a Google or something, that is then converted to text. That's speech to text NLP algorithm in action. So you can see we are using NLP in our daily life through mobile phones. And we can use NLP for text reviews also in order to predict whether the review is a good or a bad.